Welcome. Have you ever wanted to add a notification alert to your Instagram story? It's a great way to let your followers know about something special or to remind them of a new update. In this updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to add a notify sticker to your Instagram story so you can keep your followers in the loop. Let's jump right into it. First, open Instagram on your Android device. Once you're in the app, go to your home feed. Now, tap on Your Story in the top left corner to start creating your story. Next, you'll need to choose the photo you want to share. Whether you're selecting an image from your gallery or taking a new picture, go ahead and pick the one you'd like to use for your story. Once your photo is selected, look at the top of the screen for the sticker icon. Tap on this icon to open the sticker menu. This is where you'll find a variety of options to add fun elements to your story. Scroll through the stickers until you find the notify icon. Tap on it, and it will automatically add a notification sticker to your story. Now you can move and resize the notify sticker to the position you like. Once everything looks good, tap Your Story at the bottom to post it. And that's it. You've successfully added the notify sticker to your Instagram story. Now, your followers will get the message loud and clear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.